Man, I tell you, man, batteries for these stinking tools are so expensive these days. They're more expensive than the tools themselves. I'm going to try out this battery. It's supposed to work in a Bauer battery, or a Bauer battery-powered tool. Got a little button on the end, tells you how much power you got. Anyway, we're going to go plug it into the Bauer and see if it's got just as much power as the original battery. Yeah, it's plenty enough power to bust those lug nuts off of there. All right, that's got enough power for the Bauer. Works just fine.